Welcome to Koh Phi Phi. So we're on Koh Phi Phi. We got here about 3 o'clock this afternoon, 3:30. We checked straight into a hotel. We've been out all afternoon. We're now on the beach, waiting for a fire show. And we've got a bucket of rum. I can do all the angles with this. 5 o'clock shadow, there we go. So we've got Sangsong. $2.50 for a bucket. 5 shots in there and Diet Coke.
4 Thai shots.
It's 5. So yeah, we're on the beach. We're waiting for some fire to happen. I'm going to turn my self-made studio off. Greetings from Phi Phi Sand Sea View Resort. We've stayed in some lovely places since we started in Dubai, Bangkok, Koh Samui, beautiful in Koh Samui, Koh Tao, Krabi was nice, and then we got to Koh Phi Phi. And how much we spend in a night here? £25 a night, so it's sort of the higher end of our budget a night. The room, it's not the best room we've stopped in. A few reasons. I don't know what they're trying to push on us here, but this is our bedspread. This is all the room we've got. I'm going to have to go wide angle up, but this is all the room we've got. So it's not a very big room anyway. But for £25 a night, and we've been pushed to be Chelsea supporters, and we don't really know. What are you happy?
I'm in their comfort. Not offended.
But I mean, if you were a football fan.
It's just very random.
It's so random. The bathroom's all right, but the first night it stunk. We woke up to an awful smell. I think there's like an open drain because you shower in the shower. Like the shower room is the bathroom. It's all one thing. So the water runs under the sink, and I think there's like open drains. And it just smells. We woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, so some of the rooms so far have been lovely, but this one is probably not the best one we've stopped in. Anyway, we're off on a hike. Oh, well, we've just finished breakfast. I'm going to take that off so you can see my eyes and my excitement. We come in, we're so dazed at the Patchery Bakery in Koh Phi Phi. Today we got a busy old day, but we started breakfast there and it was delicious. I had curried salmon on a croissant with scrambled eggs with sriracha sauce and it was beautiful. What did you have?
Well, after about half an hour of trying to decide, because I've never ever seen a breakfast menu with that much choice. So I nearly lost the plot.
She flipped the table and left because there was so much choice.
But I went for my first acai bowl and accompanied it with a chocolate croissant.
It was I mean, the croissant was amazing. And we're off to hike now, so we need to find out where we're going. And we're going to go and hike. There are thunderstorms. I mean, it doesn't look like it. There's thunderstorms due this afternoon, but tropical island, so who knows what's going to happen.
We've got our pack-a-mac.
But if you are on Koh Phi Phi and want a decent breakfast, it's not much more expensive than anywhere else. Patchery Bakery is where to go. We've just hiked 250 stairs to our first viewpoint. We know it's a viewpoint because there's a massive sign that says so. We've got more to go. I'm dripping. It's 33 degrees. I'm chuffing warm. Chuffing. But the view's amazing. Lindsay ended up doing a jungle trek. We've seen 3 or 4 viewpoints, and I feel like we've been attacked by every mosquito on Koh Phi Phi. On Earth.
Don't get run over.
Run over. Limbo.
Okay.
What colour do yours go? Bright pink. Yours is slightly blue.
Nothing.
Maybe eat that one, that'll turn it pink. Can we eat them? No. We're just eating flowers now for the sake. What's this?
From you? Yeah, just
I've just got air. It's just like sucking a straw with nothing in. She says sweet.
What is it called? The nectar?
Got blue tongue. The sweet, apparently flat. Nah, I'm not into these herbology lessons. We're just going to have a chang instead. What are you enjoying?
The comical crabs. They just emerge and run for their lives. You've got to get one on film for me.
Nope, that's it. You've ruined it. You've told everybody about the crabs.
And now they refuse to perform.
She's like David Attenborough down his hole.
There's another one.
Comical crab.
I'm going to catch a crab. Put it in my backpack where the monkey was supposed to go.
Oh, this is where Paddy Doyle had his breakdown. And you sailed all the way here on your kayak. And then it was choppy. It's because of you, Paddy. We are here. So thank you, Paddy. Because you did sell it, but we've walked rather than kayaked, which I'm not sure. We're probably going to have a breakdown now, actually, because all the mosquitoes are bitten us on this walk. But we're going to turn you around as we go onto this beach. So we started our hike at 2 o'clock. It's now 10 to 6. So we've been walking for nearly 4 hours to various viewpoints around the island. These are the shandals, me and me barefoot. Doing really well, actually.
Socks and shandals.
Socks and shandals.
Just
Height,
defeats the whole object.
height of attractivity. But we're on this stunning beach to finish the hike, and then we're going to go and see some bioluminescent plankton, and then we get a long-tail boat back to Phi Phi, sort of town itself. But this is stunning. I'm not allowed to say stunning anymore.
You say it all the time.
What word can I use now? What is
Marvellous.
this? Marvellous.
Wondrous.
This is marvellous.
Right.
Oh no, I've got where's this cat? This cat's going for me. Oh, there it is. Go on, give Liz the itch. It's spraying up you. Spraying. So apparently this beach is marvellous. Yeah, the first time we saw this beach, Paddied kayaked from PP Beach round to here, and the waves were a lot rougher than this. But we go to a lot of places thanks to you, Paddy, so if you do watch this eventually, thank you. So just seen the most amazing sight. We've just swam with bioluminescent plankton. It's beautiful. It's just, there's many words you could use and I can't think of any of them. The Jungle Trek tour finishes by letting you swim with the bioluminescent plankton, and you're the only boat in the area, so it's just you, the rest of your tour. There's only about 10 of us on the tour, and the bioluminescent plankton, it's amazing. It just swirls around you. It's like swimming through galaxies. I'm going to go in now because there's mosquitoes everywhere.